So we got my mom out today, and we're gonna do some planting on the hill. We're gonna put a few squash in there, a couple watermelon, and my brother's giving a hand. We got the dogs out here giving us a hand. My dad dropped off a whole bunch of compost or manure that's been composted over the winter into my compost pile, which needs to be stirred up again. And I'm going to take some of that, and we're going to go over to this trellis over here, which is where I put the cucumbers last year, and we're going to throw some cucumbers in there. So I'll get over there and get to work. Oh, there you go. That's what my mom and my brother did. Some watermelon, some spaghetti squash, and I forget there's something else in there. But what we're going to do now is I'm going to grab the pump, my pump, and I'm going to have to buy some more of this hose so that I can reach all the way up to my greenhouse from the creek. We're going to grab the water tote or the water tower, and we're going to move that. We're going to bring that here, and we're going to take that right up, put it on top of the hill for now, so that we can use it to water here. We're going to try and keep this alive this year and really see what we can get out of it. But until I get my watering system in, this will have to do. Last photos of our pheasants. We are selling the breeded pair. He's just so damn pretty, I had to take another picture. So, there you go. Well, it's a beautiful, calm morning, Sunday morning. And I like getting up a little early when it's cooler right now. It's like near the end of May here, and we got to do some greenhouse stuff. We're going to do some glass a little bit today, but I also have to come back. I'm going to fertilize my pawpaws. I'm going to grab some compost that we were using yesterday, and I'm going to use that and just give it a little dose over there. And obviously you can see I need to get a weed whacker out. So on this week I'll be shopping for some equipment. I'm going to either get a still weed whacker or whatever they call it, lawn trimmer, or I'm going to get one of those push. It's a type of push weed whacker, and you just push it around. It has a heavy duty cord on it, and well, we'll see where we go, see what we end up with at the end of the week. But definitely show you next week. But yeah, it's just so beautiful out here. You can hear the birds singing. Everything is it's so surreal out here. And I can't wait to just really beef up this food forest, get this greenhouse working full time, and yeah, my Hazcaps are doing well. Duplicate them this year, so stay tuned. So we got our squash and our watermelon in there, and I'm going to give it another dose in a second, but yeah, it's already, I've already watered it once. I'm going to head over and grab some of that compost now, and hook up my pawpaws, give them a little food. And then I also moved my maple trees. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. I moved my maple trees from yonder over closer to the water, obviously. And that's just for now until I get a chance to put them in the ground this year. And I did lose one, but these are the ones that I got from last year. Check out one of my videos there for how to transplant free maple trees. And it'll show you how to get these and keep up with it. Now I used the wrong dirt, because this is the dirt I used right here in this pile. This is my big pile in front of my greenhouse, and it's got too much clay in it. It has some soil in it, it has some dirt in it, it has some sand, but it's a lot of clay, so it does stunt some of my plants. So let's go get some of that compost and spread it around. And what I'm going to do is also put some in these pots here and top it up and then water it again. And we'll see about calling that a weekend. The funny thing about pawpaws is they're fertilized by flies, not bees. I do have a little bell here, but it probably won't last. Last year they kind of struggled a bit. I think it was just because they were struggling with water. Couldn't get the water as much as they should, but you know, I gave them some food now. They have some compost on them, and I just gave them both a bucket of water, so they should be good. I definitely got to come in here and clean up some stuff, but definitely, like I said, it's on the list. All right, well, I didn't get all the glass in. I have to do some cutting. It's kind of weird how I took it apart. I should have But yeah, I'm almost done. I just got to do the crest there. Just the last couple at the top and then the middle. And I'm done. And then I'll be putting the glass in the door probably next week or the week after. I got a lot of chores to do. I got some whipping, snipping, and some glass cutting, and I got a post I got to put in here to help this maple tree stay standing, because these were stolen right out of a bush. They were growing really, you know, in the really tight together. So when they grow tight together, they grow really tall, really fast. And yeah, they're protected in the woods, but they're not protected here. So I'm gonna have to tie up some of them just to keep them going straight. But I'd like to see you guys all next week. Make a whole new video. And just, I'm gonna throw in a bonus clip right here. Stay tuned. So we not only do we have one, but we have two separate mamas gave birth late. So that's about 6 weeks late. So we got a little baby there. He's so cute. Come here, little buddy. How's it going? Yeah, you're the star. You're the star. Ready for your close-up. And I'm not really sure where the other one is. It's around here somewhere. But yeah, just wanted to show you some more baby goats. Cute goat footage. Cute goat footage. It's my favorite over there. This is my favorite right here. All brown. I've yet to see a solid color goat yet. And that's the only one we've ever had. I like that one. Until next week.